Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Danielle. Today I am deep cleaning my refrigerator. I just did a grocery haul and I figured this would be a perfect opportunity to just kind of purge everything and give my fridge a nice deep cleaning. I just finished my spring cleaning for 2025, so if you'd like to check out that video, go watch that next. Alright, I'm just starting by getting everything out of our fridge. We were running pretty low on everything, so I didn't have too much to clear out, which was nice. But I figured I'd also just go through every item, all my condiments and everything at this point, and just see if anything was expired and get rid of it. Have you ever owned a home or an apartment and then sold or moved out and you deep clean it top to bottom because you just want it to be in pristine condition for the next person? That's what spring cleaning is for me. My husband and I always laughed. Every place that we've ever lived in and left, we always leave it in such better condition than it was when we lived there. And we joke, like, why didn't we finish these projects? Or why did we never deep clean the house like this when we lived here? So if you find yourself overwhelmed or hard to get motivated during the springtime, especially spring cleaning projects, just try to shift your mindset to you're doing this to treat yourself. It's taking care of your space is so rewarding in like your mental health and your overall well-being. Once I had everything thoroughly wiped down, I'm just going through each condiment and checking the expiration date. I had to laugh because I had 2 bottles of apple cider vinegar that were over 5 years old, and I don't even use apple cider vinegar. I hate the smell. And this was everything that left my fridge. Our fridge is pretty small. It's a side-by-side style and it's counter depth, so it's just a smaller fridge overall. So I have to be very strategic in how I organize. It gets messy really easy if I don't have some sort of a system. When I'm organizing my fridge, I'm thinking categories. So I store any kind of meat product together. I store all my produce that I can fit together. Dairy products like cheese, things like that. I try to keep all my yogurts together, and then any other condiments, things like that. Now that I've completed my spring cleaning and then this project, I just have the itch to keep going. So I decided I am going to start a 7-day declutter challenge where I go through 7 different areas of my home over the course of 7 days, giving myself only 1 hour each day to declutter as much as possible and see how much I can declutter from my home. So if that sounds of interest to you, please consider subscribing and make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss that upcoming challenge. And here's a quick overview of everything turned out. It feels amazing to have a clean fridge, no expired products, no weird sticky messes anymore. And my kids are happy because the fridge is stocked again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.